So the chimney's just been smoke bombed, but it seems to be coming out of every single orifice, everywhere. But I believe this is the one I'm looking for. But look at the chimney, look at it go, absolutely everywhere. Let me try and get this off. It's difficult to say which one it is. I believe it's this one. Oh, there we go. But just look at it, it's poking out of that, coming out of the brickwork, and this is why you put a liner in the chimney when installing a stove, because if you don't, it will just come out of everywhere. It could end up in the house, in your bedroom. It's a silent killer. So always recommend installing a liner. It helps the log burner perform better as well, installing a liner. But this is the very reason, look, why. And you imagine what this is also doing in the loft space. You know, if it's coming out of these gaps here, it'll find it in the loft space, and it's everywhere.